9.
Grabe magligang labas yan. Sa UK naglalaro. Francis, how are you? Grabe yan. Nakita ko yan mula grade 4. Grade 4, I was in my, I think, second year in college. He was in grade 4.
Tsaka si Francis, pag nanonood yan sa UK, yung breakfast niya, NCAA.
Okay. Third quarter. So, beans, blood sausage, and NCAA.
Maybe some fish and chips too.
No, that's a snack in the afternoon. Come on, man. Blood sausage in the morning.
Come on.
Message mo ako, Francis, kung yun nga.
Fish and chips in the morning.
Eggs, blood sausage. The best, man.
Ofdana. Too strong.
So dito mo kailangan i-observe. Arami 50-50 balls na nagbibigay ng chance dito sa EAC. The moment that they hit from the outside and they able to get those.
And you can see, nakatakot yung landing ni Villanardo.
Yan, sinikipan na yung ankle brace. Okay na yan.
Estrada. Estrada gets the ball to Santos. Oh! Villanardo taps it out to Montecillo. And that Montecillo drains the 3.
Steady. And knocking down that shot. Yun lang. Natakam sumundot.
Holding down on number 7, not Montecillo. His second. 1 on the night.
Sweet stroke by Nat Montecillo. Anong listed height din Nat?
Let's check it out.
Alam mo yung vibe na naalala ko sa kanya? Parang Anjo Karam nung medyo veteran na. Kontrolado, dumidepensa, hindi nagtatapon ng bola. Pero Anjo's a little bit more dynamic. Ito mas veterano maglaro.
So Montecillo is just listed at 5'9", Coach Hammer. Oh no, another unsportsmanlike foul. 2 players down. Ochavo and Estrada.
So on that scramble, flat screen, good screen. Oops. Tawag doon, yung sweep ba o yung elbow drop? Double knockout. Nagkatamaan yung dalawang players natin. Hopefully nothing serious.
So just to answer your question earlier, CJ says he's watching from California with the Navy.
Oh, thank you for your service, my brother. And tumakbo player din po. Kasama nila Pat Ramos, kay Uncle George. So, ito yung huling nangyari.
We will have a review.
So, patayo si Ochavo, pababa naman si Estrada. So definitely there would be a review. Kasi nakataas yung kamay ni Ochavo. Si Estrada, pababa. Pero nakita rin yung binte ni Ochavo tumama dun sa leg. Interesting calls to be made here by our officials.
It's times like this that you wish you could ask the official what he saw that prompted him to call that initial unsportsmanlike foul.
Yep.
They usually always see yung gante, not the initial hit. The retaliation.
Oo naman. Kaya pagka-player ka, i-quote ko si Coach Philip Cesar nung nakakwentuhan ko nun. Hindi mo kailangan bumawi. Bawiin mo sa laro. Maglaro ka lang ng madiin. Tsaka marami pa namang pagkakataon, marami pang laro. Hindi lang naman kayo dito magkikita. So we just keep on playing, keep on producing, and ang pinaka maganda kunin mo yung panalo. Yun naman yung gusto ng lahat.
There was a previous play on the fast break where Ochavo felt that Jimboy Estrada put his elbow on his chest. But he was called for the foul. Ochavo was.
So unsportsmanlike foul. Tama, parehas sila. Unsportsmanlike foul. Kasi nga nakita natin yung extension ng kamay tsaka yung sweep ng leg. Si Estrada naman, nakita natin yung elbow drop.
Upon review, there was
So Estrada's got to be careful because he's eligible for
criteria
a Rookie of the Year award.
Number 88,
Newcomer
Kyle
of the
Chavo.
Year. Newcomer.
And on number
Rookie of the Year. Well,
26,
Freshman of the Year
Jimboy
last year.
Estrada.
Rookie of the Year, and then there was a Freshman of the Year.
Vote for
Marco
excessive
Cruz.
hard contact
Yun ang
caused by
eligible.
a
Yun,
player
Freshman of the Year.
in an
Pwedeng
effort
both, no?
to
Pwede niya
win
kunin
a
both.
ball or an opponent.
Grabe yung batang yun.
17 seconds on the shot clock.
Javilanar. Montesilio. 9 on the shot clock. Montesilio breaks free. Santos.
Oh, you like him taking that shot. If you're Letran, nagkakaroon na ng confidence si Kevin Santos to get points.
Wow, Oftana able to put that rainbow above the outstretched arm of Santos. Let's get an update now at courtside with Jens Supan.
Anton and Coach Hammer, ang sabi sa akin ni Coach Gerson bago magsimula ang laro that this game is very vital and every game is crucial because it can either bring you up the ranks or down the ranks. Ngayon sa dugout ng EAC, ang payo ng mga coach sa generals ay huwag matakot. Kailangan nilang dahan-dahanin ang laro kasi hindi nila yan makukuha sa isang possession. They need to share the ball, be patient, and take their defense and pressure up a notch going into the second half because if they want to secure that win, the Knights have been exerting a lot of pressure and showing up and now they need to fight back. Now back to the panel.
It's a long fight back. Long road back to the game. Santos again! It's a block party hosted by Kevin Santos.
Saka alam mo i-elevate at i-elevate si Kevin Santos on the challenge. Going downhill ito si Harvey pagsanhan. Alam mo i-challenge ka ni Kevin Santos, lalo na pag may space na ganyan. Usually, if you're an attacker, gusto mo i-DN sa katawan ng shot blocker. And then go to the ring para you help yourself with going hard to the ring. Para pag challenge siya, body contact, or you get a layup.
Fourth block for Kevin Santos. Chavo, second free throw. 2 for 2. Oh.
Turnover. Trying a little razzle-dazzle there. Going for that trick play.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Pero at the mesh point, dun nagkaroon ng turnover.
Chavo.
Good play.
Gurtiza mula sa kanto.
King Gurtiza 3.
Third foul by Wilmar Oftana. Good action there.
Foul on number 91, Wilmar Oftana. That's his fourth.
So Gurtiza's got 7 points in this game.
Apat na si Oftana.
Yeah, he's been saddled with
Joining
foul
on
trouble.
Wilmar Oftana for resentment away call.
And he has been limited to just 5 minutes and 21 seconds in this game. Jacob checks back into the contest. Bola na kay Estrada. Estrada. Javilanar. Extra pass. Quajao. Another one. Deo Quajao from the left corner.
Money shot for Deo Quajao. Off the catch, jab, and shoot.
But there is a response from King Gurtiza.
Hirap na hirap dito si King Gurtiza. Parang siya yung bububuhat dito sa kanilang kapanan.
10 puntos na para kay Gurtiza. Dunag. Javilanar. Estrada. 6 on the shot clock. Montesilio has to fire. It's an air ball. One of the best in terms of using the shot fake. Deo Guajao.
Kasi nakashoot na rin eh. Gagana talaga yung shot fake pag nakakashoot ka na eh. Doon sa mga shooting spots mo. Pero pag mga 0 out of 11 ka dyan, kahit na anong shot fake mo, tatalikuran ka pa ng bantay mo.
Estrada. Avilanar. And that's a foul on Ochavo.
Caught with his hand on the cookie jar. Si Kyle Ochavo on that move by Pau Avilanar.
And before Avilanar shoots these two free throws, mag-uusap muna mga Letranista. Coach Alan Ricardo calls a timeout.
This is our league. This is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Tara na.
Alam nyo ba na meron ding Kapuso Stars ang nag-aral sa NCAA schools? Ilan sa mga ito ay sina Yasser Marta na naging team B ng San Sebastian bago lumipat sa LPU. Si Anthony Rosaldo naman ay galing sa Arellano at si Rocco Nasino na naging Mr. Mapua pa. Mga Perpetualites naman sina Kailin Alcantara at Shaira Diaz, habang tubong St. Benilde sina Elvin.
Hello to the ladies over there. Sitting on the bleachers looking nice on this Wednesday. Ayan, flashing their smiles sa ating smile cam. Nine-point lead for the Knights as Avilanar steps to the free throw line. First free throw up and in for Avilanar. Much improved stroke for the veteran big man.
Yep.
Ochavo. Backward. And Avilanar could not hold on to the basketball. Mananatili ang possession sa EAC.
Elevator steam.
Short. Gurtiza. Pinoy step.
Good shot there by King Gurtiza. Siya lang talaga mag-isa ngayon yung bumubuhat. Absent pa si Pagsanhan, pa ambon-ambon yung dating ng puntos. Aftana, wala. Durromal, wala din.
Estrada versus Gurtiza. Eyeball to eyeball.
Eye to eye.
Naka-stay low. There's King Gurtiza with the Pinoy step.
5 seconds to shoot.
Hirap sigurong gawin nun.
Ooh, Avilanar called for traveling. Avilanar just overflowing with adrenaline right now.
For the past 5 years, ganyan naman si Paolo since season 95. Tama, di ba? 95 siya
Yep.
na freshman.
Silang dalawa ni King.
His third personal for the Knights.
So now that's the third personal on Jimboy Estrada. Wild pass by Ochavo. Gurtiza stepping back. Oh, what a move! That's a Kobe Bryant spin.
Lahat na ng dinidrills na nasa bag ni Gurtiza, nilalabas na.
He's smiling. He knows he let go of that highlight right there. Estrada. And that's number 4 on Jimboy Estrada.
Offensive foul on number 26, Jimboy Estrada. That's his fourth.
There you go.
Medyo traveling nga eh. Ang daming pihit. Ang daming shift ng pivot foot. Pero yun, pag pihit,
Coming in for the
ay, sakto talaga yung siko sa mukha ni Ochavo. Ang liit kasi. Pero yun yung value ni Kyle Ochavo. He will take the hits. He will play pressure. And he would just keep on going.
Axel Doromal is back in.
Tibay din ng Ochavo. Panay leg. Tsaka mukha yung tama sa kanya. Tibay din ha. Penalty dito ang Letran.
Holding foul on number 7, Not Montecillo penalty.
Na experience.
Fourth foul on Not Montecillo.
First free throw up and in for Axel Doromal. Still looking for that breakout game as an EAC general. This season, he's averaging just 4.2 points per contest, and that's shocking considering he averaged 16 per game with Arellano in season 98. Gurtiza. And Gurtiza draws a foul.
He is just willing. He's team for the ball game. Nagawa na lang ng paraan, pre.
Ryan Tagotongan. And Kevin Santos coming in for the
Sakto yung nakasulat dun sa leg sleeve niyo.
two
I
free
just
throws
don't quit.
for King Gurtiza.
On his leg tattoo, yung leg sleeve niya on his left leg. I just don't quit. And it shows.
So, beside that lovely lady was another lady holding a Gurtiza jersey. So you just put the pieces together. All we can do here is speculate.
Good flat screen by Javillonar. With Viper.
Javillonar. Oh!
Last touch talaga si Gurtiza. In-overplay nila yung handoff.
And seconds on the shot clock.
Magaling ang EAC at tanggalin yung mga
seconds
handoff.
to shoot.
Jacob. And Javillonar going at it. Javillonar pops out. Tagotongan. Getting the minutes at point guard behind Montecillo today. At paubusan ng oras ang Letran.
Shot clock violation.
Jumawas and Tagotongan arguing on who should have taken that shot.
Timeout, EAC.
EAC calls a timeout. They're down by 5. Medina from the baseline.
Kala ko short. Hindi diretso yung follow-through.
Medina.
Zone to. Naka 1-3-1 ngayon ang San Sebastian. Trying to get into their zone offense. JRU wants to get that shooter loading on.
54-49. Letran leads EAC. Letran held a 17-point advantage at one point in this game. But Coach Gerson and his team, just like King Gurtiza's tattoo, they just don't quit.
Laban lang.
And Gurtiza today on an injured right hand has 14 points.
So dito masusubukan ngayon dahil nagra-run ng EAC. They got cumulative stops here. Tapos nagpalit ng guards, nag-small lineup si Coach Allen, Jace Miller, malamig na malamig, ipinasok para match-upan si King Gurtiza.
Doromal to Gurtiza. Loristo. Loristo fouled.
Two free throws for Jello Loristo.
So inuunti dito ng AC. Kasi maaga silang na penalty, so they're trying to find ways to get back at this game. And finally, their free throw shooting has been clicking. Points na lang to, Don.
Again, the lead was as high as 17. And Jace Miller is in for the first time.
Nakapasok pa lang ng urot na.
And Lucero comes up with a steal. Gurtiza spins. Gurtiza drop pass. And EAC has come all the way back,
From King Gurtiza.
down by just one.
Faking a foul warning.
And now faking a foul warning on Jacob.
Makako.
Miller.
And a foul here on Axel Doromal dun sa sundo. Alam mo na yun yung gagawin eh. Pagkasab na pagkasab, aatakihin nila si Jace Miller. Pagpasok pa lang ni Lucero, binangga agad. Sinabihan siya ng referee. And then on the ensuing play, and matututunan ni Jace Miller. He's a young guard. And you just need to shake your head and let your players speak about it.
James Tradelia coming in for Paul Havinar. 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Quahao. Quahao. Quahao pulls up from the corner. And EAC with a chance to take the lead.
Oh, malalim tong habol ng EAC, ah.
Axel Doromal. Can he come alive? Doromal to Loristo. Jacob.
Wala nalunod.
Another block by Santos.
Panglima? Panganim.
Panglima. Miller.
2 minutes.
Miller. Pass deflected. Miller on the move. Miller!
James
Wow.
Miller.
Good move by Jace Miller. They needed that field goal.
Just check into the game. Jace Miller has. Wow.
Alveo Lucero.
Lucero with a response.
Yep.
Letran lead back down to 1. Miller to Santos. Oh,
Natapik.
dalawang isip.
Natapik. Nakita niya si Pradella naka-seal dun sa ilalim.
On the shot clock.
Miller. And that's another foul.
That's the 4th foul. And penalty na dito.
Pushing foul on number 28. Jello Loristo penalty.
And now Jovel Baliling checks in.
Well, they need a shooter. They need another shooter. And interesting play ito ni Coach Allen dahil it's a minute and 12. EAC clearly has the momentum here in the end game of the 3rd quarter. And the trust that he has been giving Jace Miller and the younger guys. Kasi yung mga bata ito Joven Baliling, itong si Pradella. Magiging mahusay na guard tong Miller na to. Magiging mahusay ito.
Was born in Corpus Christi, Texas, but was in Vegas, according to Coach Alan Liwa. Alan Ricardo, excuse me. Prior to coming here to the Philippines.
Oh, madalas kasi si Coach Allen sa coaching clinics. And very fertile yung grounds ng Filipino community when it comes to high school talent na pwede maglaro ng college.
Oh, what a pass. Yun lang. But he was able to draw a foul. Makabawi siya sa free throw line.
What? Si Jacob, a little bit feeling himself dito dahil
first.
Getting to.
Here we
Pinamahagya.
go for
Bahagya-bahagya.
Basketball.
Si Ako. Pero good quality minutes dito. Naka 6 points na siya. Pangiti-ngiti na. Dahil natanggal na yung pressure.
Seconds to go. Lucero trying to get it ahead of Miller. Even talking to the crowd. Miller gets it to Balili. Santos. Wow, pulls up. And Miller in the land of the Giants.
Yep. That's what you need to do. Just need to attack the rebound. And I like this kid Miller. Yung demeanor niya, he just plays.
Having foul with number 71, Andrea Lucero, penalty. Second foul on
So
Andrea
Lucero getting called for the personal
Two
there.
free throws for Jason Miller.
He's been trying to intimidate Miller,
Yep.
but Miller unbothered.
Composed kid. And giving a lift off the bench. I think this is his 4th point, and this will be the 5th point for Jace Miller. He makes it, yeah. All in the 3rd quarter.
Staying ready, staying ready.
Ready to play.
Lucero,
See?
bad pass. Gurtiza, counter steal. And Gurtiza out of
48
control.
seconds on the shot clock.
And Alan Ricardo calling Jimboy Estrada from the bench. He is now back in.
Coming in for Joven Balilin. Harvey Pagsanan coming in for the Generals. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Diego Magod coming in for the Generals. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Estrada. What a matchup right here. Estrada against Gurtiza. Estrada. Pradilla launches one. Gurtiza with a rebound. Gurtiza has time. Gurtiza gets it back from Lucero. Gurtiza. Luciano! Just a mental mistake right there.
And the end of three
So
quarters.
Letran will head to the 4th
60 to
quarter
56.
with a
For
60
the
to 56 lead over EAC.
Sama-sama dahil sa